Oh, hey there. Today, we're going to install the amazing auto swivel on the Ford Transit 10-way powered seat. It's a pretty easy install. It works. I'm happy with it. Let's get into it. In the last video with the Scopema Swivel, I talked about giving a little extra tape in here. So at any rate, let's close this up and get going. Get this wire bundle up through the hole. Go. Line up the holes, and we're going to use the 13mm bolts plus a washer that Amazing Auto supplied. Just get these in loosely, and we'll come back around and tighten them up. Let's set the chair on the swivel now and prepare to bolt it in place. Here we're going to use the Ford bolt that was holding the seat to the pedestal in the first place. We're going to put a 2-stack washer spacer between the seat rail and the top of the Amazing Auto swivel. One washer at the bottom before the nylon nut. We need to reattach the 7mm bolt for the wire bundle so we can move the chair forward and get to the bolt positions in the back. That plastic's pretty squeaky. There we go. Now, if you remember from the Scopema video, I showed you about the pins, the rivets on the bottom of this rail. So these two washers are lifting this up so that those are not in the way. Okay, to tighten these up, remember these are the 10mm because they're the original Ford bolts as opposed to the 13mm from the ones that were supplied. We use those to attach the swivel to the base. So let's get these done. Now that the seat's attached, just to show you, last week we did the Scopema Swivel install, and I cut all that off before knowing about the spacers. So you wouldn't need to cut that much off, I'm sure. And you wouldn't need to cut this much off for the Amazing Auto swivel either, but it is a nice, clean, straight cut. So nothing to worry about here for my install. When you do cut this, you won't take as much off. And the best part about this is the clearance in motion. So I'll show you that from the back side. I'll start moving the chair all the way forward. And we can go all the way into the dash. No problem with the length of that cable, no pinching, no issue with the motor mech. This is it. This is going to do it. We are installed. Quick note, I did reattach that connector there to the bolt under the chair. Seems to be perfectly fine, not getting in the way, not a problem at all. Hey there. The amazing auto swivel is installed. Let's check it out. Notice the door is closed. The Amazing Auto has a little notch here. Not sure exactly why, but if you want to lounge at 45, there you go. And it clicks in. The Scopema does not have either of those two clicks. So good and straight, you're set for sitting. Good to go. Factory chair, extremely sturdy. Amazing Auto swivel, a little bit of give. Hey, that install was pretty quick, pretty painless. Obviously I didn't have to recut the side of my seat because I did it on the previous video while trying to install the Scopema, which technically is not really designed for the 10-way powered seat. This Amazing Auto swivel, passenger 10-way powered seat, works great. Painless install. Thumbs up. Thank you very much. See you on the next one. Hey, that install was pretty quick. And I just wiggled the hell out of the camera. Look at that.